Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be making a juicy ginger and pineapple juice. So like this video, thumbs up, share with friends and families. Do not forget to subscribe. If you've not subscribed to this channel, subscribe. See you in my next video. Thank you. Yeah guys, making this ginger drink is very good for cold. Whether you are sneezing, you are coughing, this juice is extremely good. So that's why I'm showing it on this video so you can prepare it and enjoy it. It's juicy, very juicy. So guys, making this ginger, lemon and pineapple garlic juice is extremely good for cold. So this is how we are going to prepare it. You need a handful of ginger, then garlic. I'm going to use about 5 cloves there, then 2 medium size of lemon, then a medium size of pineapple. I'm going to use only the back of the pineapple for the flavor. So like this channel, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. Share with friends and families. We are going to peel it, wash it very well. This one here, I've already washed them. So I'm going to peel it, then slice the lemon, add 2 liters of water, then boil it for 15 minutes. It's good to go. Your drink is ready. Thank you. So after washing all this, I've washed this, you have to peel it. This is all what we need for the drink. So add it into your clean pots. Then slice your lemon. Add it into your pot. So my ginger, I've washed it. So I'm going to add it equally to the pot. So I'll pour in my ginger and the garlic. So add 2 liters of water, then boil it for 15 minutes. And your drink will be ready and very juicy and sweet.